Can you?
This oval.
Oh, good job.
You find that triangle.
Where's the triangle?
This triangle.
Good job.
You find that rectangle.
Where's the rectangle?
This rectangle.
Good
You
job.
find a diamond.
I don't know. Can you find it?
This diamond.
Good job.
You find
Okay, put this one on your chart.
The what?
You find the figure.
The pentagon? Good job. The trapezoid. Good job. What about the octagon? Where's the octagon? Oh, good job.
Hold on, I'm gonna go.
Okay, oval. Wow. You like your shape. Pentagon?
Diamond.
Mhm.
A rectangle is square.
Where are those at?
This rectangle.
Good job.
You find a triangle. This triangle.
Oh, looks like we're missing the square.
Jake, you ready for a sticker?
Okay, let's go get a sticker.
Square.
Yeah, good job.